What do you think? What do you think about Westlands?
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful, eh? Okay, so what can you say about Westlands?
Westlands.
Is it a rich neighborhood or is it a... It's very rich.
Money.
Welcome to Westlands, Nairobi's most modern lifestyle and business hub. Just minutes from the CBD, this vibrant neighborhood blends luxury apartments, corporate towers, shopping malls and bustling nightlife all in one place. From the iconic Skyline views to high-end spots like Sarit Center and Westgate Mall, Westlands is where business meets lifestyle. If you want to see the heart of modern Nairobi, this is it.
Rock. Woo! Nairobi, Westlands, one of the richest neighborhood in Nairobi. This is the Singapore of Africa, guys. Yeah, when you are in Westlands, you don't feel like you are in Kenya, right? Not even in Africa. You feel you are like in Singapore or something like London or something like that. But no, you are in Kenya, Africa, and this is what you get. Wow, look at that. Hey, wow, this looks amazing, guys. On this side also, wow, look at that. Wow, this is Westlands, guys. Westlands Nairobi. Wow, this is amazing. Look at this. Wow. ¿Qué piensas que sasa iko pale? Mambo? Wow. Hiyo jo nyingine JW Marriott. Look at this. This is Westlands, guys. Look at this amazing views of the streets of Westlands. Look at this, guys. Wow. Woo! Nice. Eish. Oh my God. Look at this amazing view of One Africa building here in Westlands. One of the amazing buildings here in this area of Westlands. Look at that, guys. And this road here takes you to Kangemi. Yeah, that road takes you to Kangemi on the other side of Kiambu County. And when you go to this side, you still go to Westlands. I'll be going to that side, but right now I just want to see the amazing view of this building right here. Wow, this is beautiful, guys. Look at that. Hi, this is what's your name, by the way?
My name is Bernard.
Bernard. Yeah. Bernard from Westlands. Or you stay in Westlands?
No, I don't stay in Westlands.
But you work in Westlands. Okay, so what can you say about Westlands?
Westlands.
Is it a rich neighborhood or is it it's very rich?
Money.
What do you think? How is rent here? Like how much do people?
One bedroom. There's
60,000, 75,000 for one bedroom. Well, so the people who are living in this area are so rich. Okay, so thank you so much then.
Welcome.
Okay, sir.
What's your name?
My name is Dennis with Lens Walks.
Subscribe.
Okay, thank you so much. So guys, I found someone. You say your name is? Bernard Ondiek. Bernard, you are from Lowland, eh?
No.
Ondiek is a Luo.
Ondiek is from his Matiang.
Oh, Matiangi.
Yeah.
So guys, this is Westlands, guys. Amazing place to be. One of the richest place. This place, paying for rent, one bedroom rent here is almost 60,000 to 75,000 shillings to have one bedroom apartment here in this area of Westlands. What? That's so much, guys. Wow, look at that. This is Westlands, my people. Wow. So now we want to go to inside the mall, which is called Sarit Center. On the top part of the Sarit Center, you can also see the view of Westlands. Yeah. So that's the Sarit Center Mall. You can see how it is. That's the mall, guys. Wow. All of these amazing streets of Westlands over here. Beautiful. So beautiful. Wow. So I'm in Sarit Center Mall. One of the beautiful malls here in Westlands. Guys, look, this looks very, very nice. That's the mall in Sarit Center, guys. Wow. Woo. Wow. Looks amazing, so nice. Wow, look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. Wow, this looks nice. You can see the Westgate roundabout over here. Look at that. Woo. Wow. Hey, this is one of the beautiful areas here in this area of Nairobi. Wow, this is amazing, guys. Look at this. So here is Westgate. This is where people sell flowers over here on this side. Wow. And that's the mall. The Aga Khan University Hospital over there. I just love this neighborhood. It's one of the best, guys, and I just love how it is. I love the setup. I love the amazing, nice greenery over here. People are selling flowers. Yaje? Yes. Nice flowers over here. Wow, this is amazing, beautiful, eh? This is so nice. Wow. So that's Westgate. You can see how it is. Beautiful streets. Looks so beautiful, guys. Wow. Westlands is a big neighborhood, so you can't even finish it by just walking. Yeah, you'll be walking a long way to finish it. Right now I'm in this street of Westgate. You can see this is the streets of Westgate. Look how beautiful these streets look like. This is so nice, guys. So beautiful, eh? I love this. Wow, look at the street, guys. Hey. These are the streets of Westlands. This is Westgate. Woo! Wow. This is beautiful. This is super beautiful. That's the mall. Look at the street, guys. Look at the streets. Wow. Look at the streets, guys. These are the streets of Westlands. As I told you guys, this is where the rich people live. It's not a joke. That's the zebra crossing. You can see Wachingulu over there. And these are the streets of Westlands. Yeah. Amazing. Wow. Look at that. That's Westgate Mall. And I love these views of Westlands. Ish. This is the Singapore of Africa. Wow, this looks so nice, so amazing, guys. Wow, the roads are off the hook. They are so beautiful, guys. So organized. The area is nice. Hey. Yeah, that's the mall. That's the entrance of the mall, and we are going this side. Hello. Wow. So we are going this side. You can see. Me, I'm so just amazing with these streets. Yeah. When I walk here, I feel so happy that this is my country. Yeah, this is my country. Wow, this is so nice. Wow, look at this. Wow. That's the entrance of the mall with the cars, with the dogs. You know, this mall some time back it was attacked by terrorists. Yeah, that's why they are making sure that the security here is very tight. The security here is off the hook so that nothing can happen to the mall again. Yeah, that's why you can see security there is very, very tight. They have dogs to search you. They have everything. Yeah, so their security is very, very tight. Wow, these are the beautiful streets of Westlands. I love all these streets. Look at the building, guys. They look so nice. Wow. Very beautiful. This is amazing. Look at all that. I love these palm trees at the middle of the road. They make this area to be so beautiful. The buildings are so nice, well organized. Wow, this is nice, guys. Amazing, nice. Look at that. This looks nice, looks beautiful. Look at that building, guys. Looks so nice. Wow. This is Westlands. Look at the lights. Hey. So guys, this is Pride Inn Westlands luxury boutique hotel. It's located on this side of Westlands. Okay, Westlands is on the other side. So this is Pride Inn in Nairobi. Nairobi Institute of Technology. Hey. Located in Westlands. Very tall building over here. Guys, this is Westlands. Wow. Graphic College. Wow. Nice. Look at all this, guys. Amazing residential areas. Wow. Hey, hey. Guys, this looks so nice, so beautiful, eh? This is Westlands Nairobi.
Wow.
GTC residence. So guys, this is the GTC residence here in Westlands. You can see one of the tallest apartment in Westlands. Yeah. Wow, this is amazing, guys. Someone lives here. Kuna mtu analipa rent hapa. There's someone that lives here. Wow. Wow. All of this. So nice. What do you think? What do you think about Westlands?
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful, eh?
I love the way they are organized, like so quiet, and what makes it extra, it is the huge building.
Yeah, the tall buildings, the high rises.
The high rises.
But anything else?
That is what makes it unique. Anything else, maybe I didn't explore that much.